Hello guys and welcome back again to the Crypto Hazy. For today's video, we will talk about Monami Network. But before that guys, do your own research always before continuing or before signing up any project that I review. Because crypto has a risk. Okay guys, so do your own research always. So I'm not a financial advisor, this is for entertainment only. So without further ado guys, let's get into it. So this is the Monami Network. So you will see here my dashboard that I have already nodes, and this is the current price of the tier 2 $45 per node. So I just bought it 35 per node, the tier 1 guys. Right now it increased to $10 and $45 per node. And then afterwards, after 21 hours, it will increase again in $10. Tier 3 $55 per node guys. So the node will help you farm a lot of points, and then in the TGE, you will get the token of the Monami, equivalent to your points. But it's okay guys if you don't have the node and you invite or refer a friend. Your friend will continue farming the points while you are farming also guys. Okay, so this is the Monami. It's kind of like the Grass network guys that can farm your trash bandwidth and convert it into points, and then afterwards convert it to tokens, okay, that you can earn. So this is the mint badge right now guys. They have this mint badge for double your node speed boost, okay? Also 100% mint fee will be refunded at the TGE. So this is only a $3 per badge guys. It will be refunded on the TGE. So keep that in mind. Honor as one of Monami's core contributors. You can buy it using Ethereum, BNB, Arbitrum, Base, or Optimism guys. But before that, no? Okay? So do your own research because crypto has a risk. Okay? So right now I have a total nodes of 6 nodes without bonus guys. You can connect your wallet using this button. You can either choose MetaMask, Rainbow, Coinbase wallet, or Wallet Connect. Whatever wallet you need guys. You can share it to your friends. Right now, I have a Monami referral points of 480 guys. So light nodes purchase commission. You will have this one. And then you can copy your referral link here. Okay? This is your referral link guys. And you can invite your friends and grows your earning. Both you and your friends can receive 10 Monami after they complete signing up. And then light node purchase commission instantly receive a 5% commission if your friends bought a light node guys. Okay? So you will see here your activity points. You can get your XP here after referring your friend. If you refer one friend, you get 50 XP bonus. 25 referral will have you a 1,000 XP boost guys. So let's just claim it. Okay. Okay, so simple as that. So I claim it, and then if you do this side quest also, you will get an XP boost. Okay guys, so let's visit their Twitter. This is their Twitter guys. Okay, so right now they have 21.3k followers. The wait is over. Time for your ideal bandwidth to clock in. We're excited to introduce Monami, the pioneering decentralized network built on Monad. Start earning Monami now and Monami.network. So, ever imagine earning rewards every second just by surfing the internet? We're here to make that real, and this is only the beginning. Create an account, share your bandwidth, and earn Monami, guys. Okay, I think that's all about this Monami network. I hope you can earn points and then afterwards earn money as well, guys. Okay? So again, subscribe to my channel. This is the Crypto Hazy. Bye-bye.